One of the issue is with the plumbing, and the plumbing...
When Amarjit Singh Pabla's builder went bust, his world unravelled. The 73-year-old used some of his superannuation and took on huge debts to build 8 apartments in Western Australia.
Everything from the toilet and the bathroom was coming here. And the basic idea was to make sure that in my retirement, I have a happy retirement. But the way it happened, it's not very happy at the moment. I'm very close to bankruptcy.
Mr Pabla can't sell the properties until the defects are fixed.
This building is basically encroaching on all the sides, and to rectify that is not going to be an easy task.
An insurance policy came with the building contract, but that came with limits on how much the insurance company would pay out.
I'm suffering. In fact, I ended up having a heart attack a few years ago while I was going through this process.
He says his insurer, QBE, has appointed lawyers to deal with his claim and tried to get him to settle on a lower payment amount, which he rejected. 3 years on, he's still waiting for the insurer to take care of repairs worth hundreds of thousands of dollars.
They also know it very well that financially we don't have money. We will never take them to court.
When a consumer enters a building contract, the builder must take out what's known as home warranty insurance on their behalf. It's just one of various names the product goes by in different states and territories across Australia. But lawyers and consumer advocates say such policies don't offer adequate protection.
What we need here is a national approach and standard terms and conditions so that people can have peace of mind that when they think they're going to have an event that they're going to need to claim on, that they're not going to be out of pocket hundreds of thousands of dollars.
A spokeswoman for QBE told ABC News the company remains committed to reaching a resolution, and it was common for payouts of settlements to be made in stages. She also said it's standard practice for QBE to engage third-party legal representatives in claims of this nature.
Okay. And what's the address?
Lawyers say consumers should have an independent body they can turn to during disputes.
You're dealing with people who are vulnerable, they're out of their home, for example, they're in debt hundreds of thousands of dollars. They're in no position to take their case to court, or if they are, then they're running a big risk.
Mr Pabla says QBE's liability is capped at $100,000 per unit. So, as his claim drags out and repair costs rise, the amount the insurer pays out won't go up.
All I wanted is that all the faults within this building are rectified. And once they are rectified, then I'm able to sell and move on.
A costly situation that many other consumers could face as more builders go under.